I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Hi guys, welcome to channel Cuber. So in this video, we are going to see how to do the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So let's go right through it. So first, let me give you a bit difference about this with this 2x2 and the 3x3. So we follow the same steps to solve both of the cubes, but the only difference is in this 2x2 we skip the step for doing the second leg, and there's one more which is for the pieces. For the pieces, this cube only has corner pieces of this cube, and it doesn't has the edge pieces and the middle pieces. So that was the difference of this 2x2 and this 3x3. So as always, I'll give you the movements and everything first. So this is R. I'll start with the rotation. So this is R. This is R dash. This is L dash. This is L dash. This is U. This is U dash. This is D. This is D dash. This is F. This is F dash. This is B. This is B dash. So now with the rotations, let's start with the cube. So I'll shuffle up the cube. I'm trying my best to get you all the cases. So yeah. Now let's start the cube. So the steps to solve the cube is, first we should get the white face complete with this all matching. Then the next step is we should get the upper layer corners correct. Then we do the finishing touch, which is getting the pieces flipped correctly. So now let's start with the first step, which is the white face complete. So now I'll start with this corner piece. So I'll try to find the other corner pieces which has either green in it or orange. So this has green in it. So I take it to the side where I want to fill it. So this is the first case where you have the white not facing you. So the white is not facing me. So if it is not facing me, we keep it. We'll just keep it how it is. Then if you do the left alg, it will come. But if you have the same case, but it is on your right side, the white is facing on your right side, you do the right alg. So I have it on the left, so I'll just do the left alg. So L dash, U dash, L, U. So I got the piece down. Then I'll again find, so this is pink and this one has pink. Let me just get it to its place. Yeah, it's on the place. Now this case is which it's facing us. So if the white color is facing us, what we do is we do the right alg till this piece comes down oriented properly. So R, U, R dash, U, U dash, R, U, R dash, U dash, R, U, R dash, U dash, R, U, R dash, U dash. Then R, U, R dash and U dash. So that was my second case done, and I've got this piece oriented properly. Then let me just get the third case. Yeah, this is the third case where you have the white facing upwards. So if the white is facing upwards, we again do the right alg till it comes down oriented properly. So R, U, R dash, u dash, or u r dash u dash, or u r dash u dash. So now we have got the first layer complete with the white complete. So our step 1 is complete. Now we go to step 2, which is getting these corners oriented properly. So now for getting these pieces oriented properly, we take these two and see which color is these two corners, and see which color is matching. So this has pink and even this has pink. So we take it to the pink side, and then I've got one of my complete and the other one is not on this places properly. So for getting it for switching these, what we do is this. So R U R dash U, then we twist the cube and do the left L, L dash U dash L and U. So I'll again do like this. So now I've got these both correct. Now to the last step, which is getting this oriented properly. So this is on its correct place, but it has to flip. So for it to flip, what we do is we take the cube upside down. We want the white facing upwards, and then this one here. So if you have it on your right side, yellow on your right side or facing you, it's no problem. You can do the right alg till it comes down properly. So it's facing me now. I'll do the right alg, or U R dash U dash, or U R dash U dash, or U R dash U dash, or U R dash U dash. So now our white got messed, but after we get this piece properly, we'll get it back. So now we don't twist the cube to get the other corner down. We twist the down layer itself. So I have it right here. Again, I do the right alg till it flips properly. Or U R dash U dash, or U R dash and U dash. So you match it, and with that our 2x2 Rubik's Cube is solved. Thank you guys for watching my video. Sure to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like my video and share my video. Thank you.